Did you know that over 90% of online businesses today are run by just one person? In 2025, the opportunity to build a $10,000 per month business alone is bigger than ever, without employees, an office, or a huge investment. Sounds crazy? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how you can do it too. Building a business that generates $10,000 a month sounds like a dream. But with automation, AI tools, and digital platforms, solo entrepreneurs are making it a reality every day. In this video, I'll show you the best business models for solo entrepreneurs, how to start with minimal investment, and the key strategy that will make your business thrive in 2025. If you're ready to achieve financial independence by yourself, let's dive in. Starting a business alone comes with a lot of doubts. I need a team to succeed. It takes huge capital to start. What if I fail? But here's the truth. Most highly profitable online businesses today are run by just one person, leveraging automation, outsourcing, and smart monetization. The real challenge? Choosing the right business model and using the right strategy. Let's break down 4 proven business models that solo entrepreneurs are using right now to generate $10,000 per month or more. Alright, let's dive into the 4 best solo business ideas that can help you hit that $10K a month mark. First up, digital products and online courses. What is it? Well, it's all about selling ebooks, courses, templates, or tools online. Once you've created these digital products, they can generate passive income indefinitely. Why does it work so well? No inventory, no shipping, and high profit margins? To get started, create a digital product based on your skills and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Shopify. The earnings potential here is huge. Many creators make between $5,000 to $50,000 a month selling digital products alone. Next, we have newsletter monetization. What is it? It's growing a simple email newsletter and monetizing it with sponsorships, ads, or paid subscriptions. Why does this work? Well, email is still king. High open rates and a direct connection to your audience. To start, use platforms like Behave, Substack, or ConvertKit, provide valuable content, and grow your subscribers. With just 5,000 subscribers, you can bring in $10,000 a month through sponsorships alone. Third, YouTube automation, also known as a cash cow channel. What is it? Running a faceless YouTube channel using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and automated editing tools. Why does it work? You don't need to show your face or even create the content yourself. To start, use tools like InVideo, Pictory, and ChatGPT to generate scripts, edit videos, and upload on YouTube Shorts or long-form content. With 100,000 plus views a month, YouTube ads and sponsorships can easily generate $10,000 a month. Finally, automated dropshipping and print on demand. What is it? Selling products online without holding any inventory. Everything is handled by suppliers, and you collect the profits. Why does it work? It's 100% online, no warehouse, no packaging, fully automated. To start, use Shopify and AutoDS for dropshipping or Printful for custom t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Many solo sellers hit $10,000 a month by selling trending products. So, what's the number 1 secret to making these businesses work? It's all about automation and scaling. Use AI tools and software. ChatGPT for content creation, Midjourney for graphics, and Zapier for automation. Focus on SEO and digital marketing. The right keywords, YouTube SEO, and effective email strategies can skyrocket your reach. And don't forget about paid ads and organic growth. Smart Facebook ads, TikTok marketing, and collaborations can help you scale fast. If you focus on these strategies, hitting $10,000 a month as a solo entrepreneur is not just possible, it's inevitable. Starting alone doesn't mean struggling alone. With the right business model and smart automation, you can build a business that earns $10,000 a month or more, without employees, warehouses, or huge capital. So, which business idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this valuable, hit the like button. Subscribe for more solo business ideas and side hustles. Drop your questions below. I reply to every comment. See you in the next video.